This is the unboxing for some beautiful shelves I just received. I'm so excited about them. An unboxing is when you see exactly what I see when I take it out of the box. And in it, it has an installation guide. And look at this beautiful wood. It's so perfect. Look at this. It's very, very lightweight. And it is very beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Look at this. There's 4 of the shelves. 1. Oh my gosh, that's even prettier. Look at that. Oh gosh, this is just stunning. Beautiful, beautiful. The quality is really nice. It's got a beautiful finish on it. Very well made. Really have it. Okay, there's 2. The first one was so different from the second one. I'm excited to see what 3 and 4 looks like. Comes very well packaged. Look, it's all packaged to protect it. Here's the 3rd one. Look. Oh, that's beautiful. Gosh, that is stunning. What a lovely, lovely piece of wood. That's gorgeous. And then here's the 4th one. Ready? Let's see what the pattern is on this. Look, look. Oh, gosh, that's so pretty. Wow. That is truly beautiful. I am really impressed on how well everything is finished off. It's gorgeous. Okay, those are the 4 shelves. And as you look at the guide that comes with it, it tells you exactly what's in the box. So we just got out the 4 pieces of absolutely drop-dead gorgeous wood. Okay, and I'm going to slide those sideways. And it still says that we have the iron pieces left. This is a plastic piece that goes in the wall and the 2 different sizes of screws. Now, obviously, there's a reason for the 2 different sizes of screws. And let me get them out first. Okay. There we go. Nicely packaged in a plastic bag to keep them handy. I'm just going to put them out like this so you can see them. We're supposed to have 16 long screws. Okay. Oops, I just bumped that. Get it up a little bit here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back here, buddy. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and looks like I've got an extra one in there. All right, so we've got the 16 pieces that sit here. We're just going to do that again. There's 5, 10, 15, 16, and we have an extra long one. Okay, now let's read how many of these are we supposed to get. And this is a step, by the way, do not mistake doing this step because you need to make sure you have everything in the box. Okay, so there's those. And now the smaller ones are supposed to have, of course, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it. 11, 12. Oh, I've got another big one. 13, 14, 15, 16. So actually, I'm lucky. I got an extra one of the small one, and I got 2 extra ones of the long ones. Yay! Okay. And now the plastic pieces, 16 of those, because the long pieces go in here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 2 extras. So I really, really like this company. They've added a few extras so that we've made sure that we've got all of them. Okay, now, what's the next thing on here? Oh, okay, now we need the angled pieces of iron. And this is the support for the shelving. Oh, look, you know they've done a really nice job about cutting the holes out. Now, how many of those do we need? Double check it. We need 8. 1, 2, and if you look in here, hold on, I'm just gonna grab it this way. They're very nicely packaged individually in, there's 2 in each one here. Well, here we go. They're actually individually, okay, so that they come in really good condition. And how many again? Double checking. 8. Okay, so here we go. There's 4 there, and here's 4 more. All right. So what we have in the box is our wood, our metal pieces, and the screws. Okay, and that's everything that was in the box. Now I'm going to put the box over here, and I'm going to move these like this, put the wood pieces in behind. So that is everything you need. And this is a pretty easy setup. Now there's really good instructions on here on how to install it. I'm going to tell you a way that I do it. They're using a power drill. I don't. I never have had a power drill. My husband has one, but I like to do mine differently. So the long piece, that's going to go on your wall. Okay, the short piece, this goes underneath on the bottom part like this. All right, and what I'm going to do, let me move this so you can see exactly what I'm going to do, is this is your installation part of it. We did the unboxing, this is the installation part. I'm going to do it backwards like this so you can see, okay? I'm going to place these where I want them to go. Now, what I strongly recommend you do is measure this, okay? You want to make sure that your width is the same. You can use a ruler. I'm one of those people that I use pieces of paper. I'm not really great on math, so I would take this, it was in the box, and so I'm going to take this and make sure I have the same distance from the edge. So right there, I already know I'm going to put it right there, and I'm going to take this on the other side. I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to butt that right up to the edge, and I'm going to have it the same distance. That's how I do it. Now, if you want to do it with a ruler, you know, that's okay. You can do it with a ruler too, but this is just really, really simple for me. Now, what I like to do is I get a pencil, and with my pencil, I'm going to draw a little circle in here. You see what I'm doing? I'm making a little mark. Make another mark here, because I know that's where I want it to go. Coming down on the other end, I'm going to take a pencil and make a little mark, make another little mark. Okay. I hope you can see it on the video when I lift this up. Yep, you can. Ta-da! Easy peasy. And I'm going to hold the board up so that you can see it. Can you see where my marks are? Right there. So what I want to do for me, and I'm going to just demonstrate it. Hold on one second. I would use a nail. I'm demonstrating, so I'm just showing you what I do. With the nail, I'm going to hammer that in and wiggle it around so it gives me a start. And actually, I can even, this wood is really, really light and easy to make a mark. So I'm just going to make that, wiggle it around. It's better with a nail, but a pin does work. And then I'm going to be using this, put this back on so it matches up. Can you see I'm going to get it right matched up? That's where I want it to be, right there. And then I'm going to take this nail and just move it till you can feel, see, I can feel where I made the mark, and start turning with your hand. And actually, I am very shocked, but this wood is light enough that even just with my hands, look, can you see that? It's already in there. So I just take a screwdriver, I'm going to finish screwing that down, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on either side. And then all I have to do, I'm lining up these marks too. All I'm going to have to do after I get this screwed on here is I take these and I make a little hole in the wall and it just pushes in. And then when you take this screw, watch carefully because I'm showing you how to do this. You're going to put, this is going to be in the wall here, and you're going to be putting it through like this. And when you turn it, these open. Okay, this is going to open, and that's going to be in the wall. And that's basically how you install it. It's very easy to do. I was planning on actually installing it on my wall, but we're having a bathroom remodeled, and this is for my bathroom shelves. And the people that are remodeling it, we had some floods and storms here, and there was trees across the road and they couldn't get in, so I don't have a wall to put it on yet. So your installation video for me, let me take this off the stand. Your installation video is me showing you how. See how simple that is? And you saw I just used a pin, right? Look at this. that's pretty sturdy, and all I have to do is just take a screwdriver and screw that down. And the same thing with the screw it to the wall. And just do that 4 times. Put the shelves the way I want them, and they'll look beautiful. Again, we're gonna cover what was in the box. 4 absolutely beautiful pieces of wood. And I read that these are handmade and hand done. This is absolutely gorgeous. It comes with your metal supports. It comes with your beautiful wood pieces. It comes with everything you need and extras. And this is a lot easier for me to do than use a power drill or anything. I'm just going to tighten that down with the screwdriver. This one goes in the boards. These 2 go on the wall, and you're good to go. I really, really love these shell set. And I know you will too.